Hello friends, welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Idas. Today we are going to be working in our packet with the Shamrock, and we're going to turn to the second page for an activity called Rainbow Tens Facts. Today we are going to write numbers in a rainbow and see how we can make addition sentences using the arcs of a rainbow. You can get your pencil ready and your crayons. You can even get your dots ready so we can explore how the numbers work after we're done making our rainbow. Okay, friends? So again, you can use your pencil. I'm going to use my marker so you can see better on the video. So let's begin. Do you see a rainbow here? I do too. I see a 0 in the rainbow, which means that each arc is going to have a number at the bottom. And you will see the fun trick that we can do with rainbow addition. So here is a 0, and then I'm going to put a number 1 next to the 0. And then I'm going to put a number 2, 3, 4. Great job, friends. You do that too. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now in the center, I'm going to put a 5. Great job. What comes after 5, friends? 6. Count on. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Great job. So before we begin, we need to color the rainbow so that we can easily find the paths for our numbers. So, do you know the rainbow song? It goes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. All the colors of the rainbow. So we are going to start coloring the top arc with red. Here we go. Do a nice job as best as you can. You don't need to press too hard, okay, friends? We don't want your hand to get too tired, but try to do a wow color and stay inside of the lines as best as you can. Great job. Excellent. So the top arc is red. Ta-da! Red. Red, orange is the next color, orange. So we're going to color some orange here where you see the number 1. And go all the way around to the other side. Here we are. Oops. Excellent. And we end here where we see our 9. Great job. Red, orange, yellow. Yellow is our next color. So let's find where the arc where we see 2 is and color it in with yellow. There we go. Excellent job, friends. Our rainbow is turning out to be very beautiful. So colorful. I love the colors. A rainbow is so springy and happy, bright. Red, orange, yellow, green is next. So find your green. Here we go. Green where we have a 3 that goes all the way over, up and over, in a nice curved shape, all the way to the 7. There we are. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue is next. So where we have 4 to 6 is blue. So let's color up and around with our blue. Good job. Excellent. And we need one more color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So this whole spot here, we see number 5, is going to be purple. whole thing, friends. Fantastic. All right. So how is this rainbow going to help us to make addition sentences? Well, there is a fun trick, and all we have to do is follow the arc of the rainbow. So for the first fact, we're going to start here at 0, and we're going to follow the arc all the way around. And what number do we land on? 10. 0 plus 10 equals 10. Wow, we know that. We'll prove it with our dots in a little while. Now let's come over to number 1. If I start with 1 and I follow the rainbow, I end on 9. We know 1 plus 9 equals 10. That's right, friends. Let's go here at number 2. 2, follow the arc of the rainbow. We end on an 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. That's right. Start with the 3 and the green. 3, and it goes all the way to 7. We know 3 plus 7 equals 10. Wow, isn't this fun? 4 goes all the way to 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. And then here we are in the middle. 5. 5 plus what equals 10? 5 plus 5. That's why it's in the middle. Good job. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Great job. Now, we know 5 plus 5 equals 10, but what happens if we work backwards on the rainbow? Let's start with 10 this time. 10 plus 0 equals 10. That's right. Let's start with 9. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1, one more, equals 10. Start with 8. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 7. 7 plus, follow the green arc, 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Let's try 6. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And here we are again at the bottom, in the middle. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Great job, friends. Wasn't that super fun? Oh my gosh! Rainbow 10 facts are so neat. It really illustrates how numbers can work forward and backward to get the same total. Now look at this cool pattern. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Isn't that interesting, friends? That's right. So we know 0 plus 10 equals 10. And if I flip it, 10 plus 0 equals 10. I know 1 plus 9 equals 10. And if I flip it, 9 plus 1 equals 10. Let's say 2 plus 8 equals 10. Let's flip it. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Great job, friends. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Flip. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Flip. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And of course, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Great job. Let's go ahead and use our dots to show this, that this is true. So I'm going to just scoot my paper up a little, and I have my 10 dots, all right? The first sentence was 0 plus 10 equals 10. So I'm going to have 0 yellow dots, and I'm going to have 10 red dots. So we can put 5 red dots at the top, like we would have in a 10 frame. And I can put 5 yellow dots at the bottom. And then if I flip all of these, I will see 10 red and 0 yellow, okay? 0 yellow plus 10 red equals 10. Now, would that work if I flipped it? If I had 10 yellow dots and 0 red dots, would I still have 10? 5 plus 5 is 10. We know that. Yes, it would still be 10. And we just proved 0 plus 10, 10 plus 0 equals 10. We also showed at the very beginning that 5 plus 5 equals 10, even if I changed the order of the colors, right? Even if I had 5 plus 5 this way, it's still 10. Great. Now let's see if we can prove 1 plus 9 is 10 and then 9 plus 1 is 10. So let's get all of our colors back except for 1, okay? So here is 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Now let's change it and flip the other ones. Do you think it will still be 10? Yes, it will still be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. What if I have 2 plus 8? Yes, 2 plus 8 equals 10. What if I flip it? You flip your dots too, okay, friends? Now I have 8 plus 2 equals 10. Is it still 10? Yes, it is. Let's try 7 plus 3. So now I have 7 red dots and 3 yellow dots. Is it still 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it is. What if I change the order and then I say 3 plus 7 is 10? What do you think, friends? Is it still 10 even though I reversed it? Of course it is. Excellent. Let's try the 4 plus 6 and the 6 plus 4. All right, 4 red dots and 6 yellow dots. Is it still 10? Excellent. Yes, it is. What if I change the 6 dots to be red and the 4 to be yellow? Is it still 10? Do I still have 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it is. Wow, I love learning about Rainbow 10 facts. Did you? That was sure interesting. Now you can show your grown-ups a fun trick, adding to 10 using a rainbow. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.